Once upon a time, a lioness gave birth to a cub in the jungle. Immediately after giving birth, the lioness died at that very moment. A flock of sheep was passing by. The newborn lion cub, confused and alone, joined the sheep and started walking with them. Living with the sheep, the cub began to act just like them. It never ate meat and started grazing on grass. It didn't know how lions behaved and never even attempted to roar. Surrounded by sheep, it began to think of itself as one of them. Time passed, and the lion cub grew into a young lion, still believing it was a sheep. One day, an old lion spotted the young lion and couldn't believe his eyes. He was puzzled as to why a young lion was roaming with sheep. The old lion decided to talk to the young lion and find out what was going on. He attacked the flock of sheep, causing them to flee in terror. The young lion also ran away with them. After a short chase, the old lion caught up with the young lion. The young lion, trembling and crying, pleaded, "Please let me go, I'm just an ordinary sheep." The old lion was stunned and realized what was happening. He gently pushed the young lion towards a river and said, "Look at yourself in the water, in the calm, clear water of the river." The young lion saw its reflection for the first time. It didn't look like a sheep. It looked like a lion. In that moment, the young lion realized the truth. It was actually a lion filled with newfound awareness. It let out a powerful roar that echoed through the entire jungle. The roar made the young lion recognize its true identity and strength. It felt a surge of power it had never felt before. Living like a sheep was never its reality. It was just a mental trap. This story carries a profound message. Shake off the false weakness that society has instilled in you. You are like the lion in this story, mentally trapped among sheep in a crowd of fearful people. Even the brave can become fearful, but you need to rise above this crowd. Discover your true potential and embrace your real power. When you do this, you will roar like the lion and find your true self.